All right, you guys. This is multi-step equations. So there's multiple things that need to be done here. This is some review. This is part of the solving the linear equations. A lot of the same stuff will happen in these, and then there's a combination of the order of operations as well. And so that means we got to do our parentheses first, and then exponents, and then multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, and so we've got to do it in that order. So first thing with these, parentheses has got to go first, and so that means that we've got to use distributive property, and we have got to multiply this 4 that's on the outside to both terms on the inside. And remember, when you have a sign, a new term starts. Okay, so that's one term, that's the second. So 4 times x, 4x, and then 4 times a positive 3 is positive 12. And then we bring down the rest of it. Then we look to the left and we look to the right, see if there's any like terms we can add. And so the right, we don't have anything, but on the left we can do the positive 12 and the negative 6. And so that's going to give us a positive 6, and then we're going to bring down that 4x. And then we're going to do just like we done with the linear equations. We're going to subtract 6, so we cancel it out on that side, and then we got to do the same on that side. And so then we have 4x equals a positive 24, and then divide just the 4, and then that leaves x on one side, and we find out that x equals 6. Okay. Then the next one, now the parentheses are still there. It's just like the one before, but it's in a different place. It doesn't start out at the beginning of the equation. And then you need to look right here, because when you multiply and you do distributive property, you've got to take the sign with it. This isn't just a 3, this is a negative 3 because of that sign right there. And so that's got to be distributed to both terms on the inside. So 15 will come down, negative 3x, and then negative 3 equals 54. Look to the left, look to the right. You got any like terms? We don't on the right, but we do on the left, right? We've got 15, positive 15, and a negative 3. And so negative 3x we're going to bring down, plus 12. Subtract 12 from both sides. So that leaves us with negative 3x equals 42. Then divide just the number, because that's going to get that x separated from that number. And negative 14 is going to be your answer on that one, okay? The last example does not have any parentheses, and so we're just going to go on to the next step. We look to the left and right. Do we have like terms? We don't on the right because we've only got that 63, but we do on the left. We're going to put these x's together. We got a positive 2x, and then this is a positive 1. So 3x, and then negative 14 and negative 7, when you add those together, negative 21. And then at this point we're doing the same steps that we've done with all the other problems. And then divide that off of there. 3, and so x equals 28 on that one. All right, so make sure you've wrote these examples down. Send me pictures of your examples that you've done, and then I'll have an assignment posted for you guys. All right, if you have any questions, contact me or text me or message me, and we will talk about those. All right, bye y'all.